Thinking about buying your first motorbike? Hold that thought. You might save thousands by knowing this crucial information about motorcycle insurance premiums, especially as a first-year rider. It's not just about engine size. Bike style will dramatically impact your wallet. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into an often overlooked topic of motorcycle insurance for new riders. We're going to look at how your motorcycle style, not just its engine size, may make or break your insurance costs. This is vital information for any first year rider looking to understand the overall cost of ownership. So motorcycle insurers will view different bike styles through distinct risk lenses. Sport bikes, often associated with higher speeds and aggressive riding, typically incur much higher premiums due to perceived increased accident risk and higher theft rates. Cruisers, on the other hand, are perceived as a much lower risk, leading to more affordable insurance premiums. It's all about how insurance companies calculate that risk for new riders. Let me share a personal experiment that I did that truly opened my eyes. I looked at 3 different bikes that all have the same 471cc parallel twin Honda engine. That is the CMX Rebel 500, the CB 500X adventure style bike, and the CBR 500R sport bike. To make this a fair experiment, I used the same insurance broker and all the same credentials, so I put it in through myself as a new rider with less than 1 year's experience, so obviously no claims discount bonuses. I'm age 39, where I live, all the security devices, it was all like for like. The results were really shocking. The Rebel 500 came in at 1,100 Great British pounds, whilst the CB 500X and the CBR 500R, they both came in pretty much the same at a whopping 3,300 pounds. That's 3 times the amount for the same engine, but just a different shape bike. So this really does show how your bike style is going to affect your insurance quotes. So what does this really mean for first year riders? Well, you might want to reset your expectations and understand the bike that you want might not be the bike that you can afford. Yes, you can buy the bike, but if you can't afford to run it and insure it, then it's worthless. If you're Mr. or Mrs. Moneybags, and you're set on that CBR 500R and you're willing to pay whatever, I say go for it. However, for me personally, and the advice that I would give to other new riders is paying 2/3 of the value of your bike in insurance isn't really worth it. Let's remember, we're all first year riders, so we're likely to make mistakes, we might drop the bike. Getting a bike that you don't mind scruffing up a little bit isn't going to be the worst thing in the world for your first year. There's always next year for that upgrade. So I think it's a smart move to try and save on your overall cost of ownership and ensure that you can actually afford to ride the bike that you own. So to avoid this pitfall, you can go onto comparison websites and put in different bike styles in different years and understand how those results are being affected by the types of bikes that you put into them. This way you can shortlist a number of styles that are within your price range, and when you go to buy that bike, you're not going to get any surprises when it comes to the insurance. Did you get a shock quote? Let us know, because you might be helping somebody else that's looking at buying that particular bike and you might steer them in another direction. If you like this video and you think it's going to save you some cash or it's helped you understand motorcycle insurance a little bit better, please smash that like button. Subscribe for more motovlogging tips and share your own first year insurance experiences down in the comments below. Your support is really helping this channel to grow, so I want to say a big thank you and I'll catch you at the next one. Peace.